Veganuary day 15. Today we've decided to do a this is what I ate today because this is gonna be a tough week for us. I have kidney surgery the day this goes out, so I'm going to be asleep in the morning, hopefully anyway, and then it's outpatient surgery, so I'll be home, but I don't think I'm gonna feel like making videos, but we didn't want to not have a video for you today, so we're doing a this is what I ate. I'm not doing my intermittent fasting until all of my kidney procedures are done with, because I need to take an antibiotic in the morning, and it's the kind that you can't take on an empty stomach, so I figured I might as well just start eating a little bit earlier anyway and not do the intermittent fasting. So for breakfast I'm having 2 pieces of toast made with this Dave's Killer Bread, the white one, or white bread done right. I'm having some Earth Balance soy free. It's a vegan butter. And I'm also having some donut shop blend coffee with some foamed oat milk. I was gonna say almond milk, and I was like, oh no, oat milk. And I'm really enjoying the oat milk, the Oatly. And that's the only one I know of. Actually, that's a lie. Maury said that's a lie. I've seen the oat milk in other brands, but like Pacifica. I'm not sure what the name of that brand is. You know, the one that makes the gravies and everything and soups. Nothing tastes as good as the Oatly. And they have 3 different ones. I believe they have the regular, the low fat, and the chocolate. The one that I get is the low fat. So this is my breakfast, and we'll be back with Maddie's breakfast.
What up, fam? Time to eat breakfast. Look at this baby. Good boy, Flashy. So I just got off the bike, and of course I had a nut butter filled Cliff Bar, chocolate peanut butter. Before I got on the bike. So now I'm ready to have my actual breakfast. So I'm feeling pretty lazy today food wise. It'll get better, but still no bagels this month. I'm doing a great job with that, I have to say. So I am having 2 pieces of toast. It's white bread done right by Dave's Killer Bread. Pretty tasty. And I have toasted it and put some guacamole on there, and we've been trying to keep the guac as fresh as possible. We used to get like the individual serving of the guac, you know what I mean, like the big container with all the little ones in it, so it's like single serve, but I didn't want to do that this time because I feel like that's a lot of unnecessary plastic when we can just get this. So we got it in a box with 3 of the bigger size. The problem is I forgot that avocados brown really quickly after they touch the air. So we've been keeping it in this Ziploc bag because it has like a plastic cover on it, but it's not resealable. So we have it in the plastic bag, try to get out as much air as possible. And this plastic on the top, we only opened so you could like get a knife in there, because if we just rip off a lot, it's gonna, you know, be exposed a lot more. So then we've also been turning it upside down in the refrigerator, so like the weight of the container kind of seals this off as much as possible. It seems to be working. It's a little bit brown here, but we already ate that part, so it seems to be working. We're gonna stick with it, and yeah. Just gonna, you know, fingers crossed. We did open this a few days ago, and it's still looking pretty good. It's still green here, so I guess it's working. Snack time, yay! I don't always have a snack in between breakfast and lunch, but I am pretty hungry today. I don't think my toast was filling enough after my workout, so I'm gonna have these Nutter Puffs by Pop Chips. Ugh, they're so freaking good. I love them. They have 5 grams of protein, which is great. It's just delicious. It's delicious. What are you having?
I'm having a My Kind Organics
vitamin. Yes, I'm having that too.
Vitamin.
Guys,
which is vegan.
It is so important when you're vegan or even vegetarian to make sure that you are getting all the nutrients you need.
Even if you're not, a lot of meat eaters are deficient in B12 and vitamin D because you just don't get enough sunlight, especially if you live in the Northeast in the wintertime. So it doesn't hurt to pop a couple and get your dailies.
Make sure you take your vitamins.
I'm gonna have a quick snack too. I have to run out the door actually. I think I'm just gonna take some peanut butter pretzels.
Oh, wonderful.
Convenient, higher in protein, not so much sugar, but it is refined flour. But I gotta go. I'm gonna be late if I don't leave in like 1 minute.
Go.
So
Time.
even though I'm not hungry, I have a big trough of food.
You gotta eat that because you're gonna be wishing you had it after midnight.
Yeah, that's for sure, because I can't eat after midnight tonight or drink.
Mm-hmm.
Not even a piece of gum. It said that on the
Oh,
thing.
really?
They were like, if you eat a piece of gum, you're going to be sad that your surgery was rescheduled. So
Oh, wow. I had no idea.
Yeah, not even a piece of gum.
Wow.
So last time I had to brush my teeth in the morning with just water and like make sure that I didn't like,
swallow it.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So it's lunchtime.
What are you having?
I'm having some butter lettuce, some carrots, cabbage, iceberg.
Mm-hmm.
Underneath on the bed, we've got some leftover Greek salad without feta cheese. Beautiful. From the other night, pizza night.
Mm-hmm.
And I also have some mushroom rice pilaf with 2 Gardein chicken tenders.
Ooh.
What are you having?
I'm having some pizza leftovers.
That looks delicious.
Right? I got the butter lettuce going on here. I have the Greek salad on the top. And then I have this pizza, which has red sauce. Do you remember what kind of sauce it was?
It's the paisana.
Okay.
A really good one. The marinara.
Nice. Some breaded eggplant and some...
That is Daya Monterey Jack.
Oh, yeah. We had that the other night, and I have to say, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
The block. I like any of the Daya cheese.
It's no smoked Gouda, which is my absolute favorite, but it's pretty good.
Some people really take a dump on the Daya cheese, but...
I don't get it. Maybe they had it before they, like, reformulated.
I'm not the biggest fan of the grated one, but the one in the block for some reason. I don't know if it's a different formulation, but
could be.
I definitely prefer it over the one in the bag.
Yeah, we're trying to eat up some of the leftovers in the fridge so we can make some room.
And I have no idea what we're having tonight.
Woo!
So I'm going to have to think about that while I'm sitting in the vet with my poor hurt puppy.
Poor puppy.
I know.
Ooh, pre-dinner snack. I just got back from dance class a little while ago, and I need a little something before we eat dinner. So, these are my favorite chips right now. Off the Eaten Path chickpea veggie crisps. They're so good. Okay, so a little backstory if you guys haven't been watching us for very long. We used to get these all the time. I want to say it was like, I don't remember when it was, but it was a while ago. We got them at Sam's Club, and I was obsessed with them. They're so, so tasty. And then, all of a sudden, they disappeared from Sam's Club. They didn't come back. And then, magically, a few weeks ago, they reappeared. And now, I guess they probably changed the formula, because now they have, like, these purple sweet potatoes in them, which they didn't have before. And it is, like... the second coming. It's amazing. It's so good. I'm so happy that they're back. So I'm gonna go snack on those for a little while, and we'll see you for dinner.
Snack time. I wasn't planning on having a snack, but I'm having a snack. I'm having a beautiful Cara orange that we got today. If you watched the haul in yesterday's video, we left out a giant bag of russet potatoes. We left it in the car, but that's part of what we're having for dinner tonight, because a little wrench was thrown into the works. Well, a big wrench. I had to drop everything and take Flash to the vet. So that really put a damper on time schedules and everything. So he's actually having surgery tomorrow. So I had to come up with something quick for dinner, and we're going to be having baked potatoes and some hot dogs. So that's not what I was planning on making, but the day got away from me. Life happens, so thank goodness for convenience things that are vegan, and you gotta go with the flow. Right, this is what we ate for dinner tonight.
Good.
Is it? I don't know.
I think so.
It's my day to celebrate, apparently. So we're having a field roast hot dog on some Dave's Killer bread. Which one is this? This is the 21 whole grains and seeds.
I'm gonna go breadless for this.
Okay. We've got a giant, half of a giant russet potato with some of our nacho cheese.
These potatoes are seriously huge.
They are. Look at these. Look at these tubbies.
Oh my god.
We got some Light Life bacon on there to make it like a bacon cheddar.
Yeah, if you guys are interested in the cheese recipe, check it out because we just posted it a few days ago.
Yeah, it's really good. Some spring vegetables in a lightly seasoned vegan sauce, which probably means some oil. Let's deliver Sean his. Here you go, sir.
Quickly, season and son.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, not bad.
Usually it's like, thanks. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know why, but Sean says it like with an attitude. I don't think he means to have
No,
an
I
attitude.
don't think so either.
But that's just the way that it sounds.
We're watching the Syracuse game, so hopefully they'll win and not ruin my dinner.
Yeah, that would be nice. That would be a huge win because Duke is ranked ¡1 right now.
Oh, whoa. Well, they did injure.
Maybe they don't have depth.
All right, well, this is what we had for dinner tonight. Hi.
Smell.
Eddie,
Oh,
any favorite
so cute.
toy? Red knee.
Yeah.
It's dessert time.
Yeah.
And there's the phone. It's for you. Puppy! Okay, so anyway, it is dessert time. I just yawned, so my eyes are like,
Watery?
yeah. It's dessert time, and we're having a little treat.
Little garbage?
Yeah.
You know, like Little Debbie's little garbage.
Little garbage.
Yeah.
Sean
Puppy said, what?
and
Little
Mom.
garbage? That's my
Yeah.
favorite.
Mom's having the Oreos.
Yeah.
The skinny ones, thin ones.
Skinny the Poos.
Skinny the Pooh. I am having not that.
You're having a Pepperidge Farm turnover.
Beautiful. We had these yesterday at Granny's. This is not for puppies. It's not for puppies. I'm sorry.
Puppy said, what?
Yeah.
It's for puppies?
I'm sorry. It's delicious though. It's
Yeah.
you know just basically
It's big garbage.
yeah.
Eddie's room.
The pastry dough with the
Puff
raspberry,
pastry with
yeah.
raspberry preserves.
So good.
Yes. All right.
So
Drew, watching.
We're listening to Sean read a book to us.
well, we were watching Vanderpump. But
Well,
Vanderpump rules. So we're gonna
raise
get back
your
to
glasses high.
it. Yeah, right. Let me slowly.
Yes. This one's for you tonight.
So we're gonna call it a night on food.
Let's start.
That was day 15.
I know that you're gonna be on our asses about eating processed food, but
This is real life.
this is just us being real. We're not gonna put on airs and pretend that we're eating like all these fresh fruits and vegetables every day and every meal is like made by us. It's just
This is not
how it is.
how you should eat. This is how we ate.
Yeah. I'm just saying.
no
Disclaimer.
We're just trying to keep it real.
Yeah.
We play.
Alright, well
We're
anyway.
just trying to keep it 100.
Yeah, we're keeping it 100. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you had some delicious meals.
Yeah.
And we'll see you tomorrow. And until then, much love.